Mastering TikTok trends for TikTok dropshipping can be a game changer for your business. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through each step to help you harness the power of TikTok to promote your products and boost sales. Step 1. Research TikTok trends. First things first, let's dive into researching TikTok trends. Spend some time immersing yourself in the platform. Look for those popular hashtags, challenges, dances, and viral videos that are capturing attention. Step 2. Identify relevant trends. Once you've got a feel for TikTok's pulse, it's time to identify the trends that align with your niche or products. Seek out those trends where you can seamlessly integrate your products, or ones that resonate with your target audience's lifestyle. Step 3. Create engaging content. Now, let's get into the creative process. Develop content that showcases your products within the context of these identified trends. Use attention-grabbing captions, trending sounds, and popular effects to make your videos pop. Step 4. Optimize your videos. To make sure your content gets the visibility it deserves, it's crucial to optimize your videos. Utilize relevant hashtags, craft compelling captions, and consider collaborating with influencers to broaden your reach. Step 5. Engage with the TikTok community. Building a sense of community is key. Actively engage with the TikTok community by liking, commenting, and sharing content that aligns with your brand. Respond to comments on your videos to foster connections and participate in challenges. Step 6. Analyze and iterate. Lastly, don't forget to analyze and iterate. Dive into TikTok's analytics tools. Pay attention to metrics like views, likes, shares, and comments. This data will guide you in refining your content strategy for maximum impact. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to mastering TikTok trends for your dropshipping business. Remember, trends evolve, so stay creative, authentic, and most importantly, have fun on your TikTok dropshipping journey. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Ebox Man for more insightful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Best of luck with your TikTok dropshipping adventure.